Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign an account in Salesflare to somebody else? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to reassign an account to a different team member in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different customers, projects, team members, and with Salesflare, you can go ahead and assign somebody a complete an account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to reassign a complete account to a different account manager, here on the left side, you're going to click on accounts. Once you do that, all along the left, you're going to see all the accounts you're currently working with. So choose the account you need to reassign. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this box here on the right, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Now you can see that I am the only one assigned to this particular account. Now to reassign it, click on manage. Once you click on manage, you can go ahead and choose the team member you want to assign this to. So just type in their name. Once you typed in their name, you want to go ahead and check the box next to their name and then click on save. So just so you know, this is going to assign the complete account. So for example, this company name is Yahoo. Now, if you only want to assign a particular deal within that account, you can do that also by clicking on opportunities here on the left. Okay, so here you can go ahead and choose the deal that you want to assign. So for example, this right here, Yahoo. Okay, so if we have more than one deal working with this particular account, I can assign just the deal. So once you've clicked on the deal, off to the right, you're going to see it's assigned to me. You can click on edit, and here you can go ahead and change the assignee. So just type in their name. Once you see their name, just click on the name and then click on save. So what that's going to do is only assign just the deal, not the complete account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to assign an account in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.